Every family has a secret ingredient. A pinch of powder that makes food unforgettable. That powder may already be in your kitchen. It is called MSG. Humans once believed there were only 4 tastes. Then scientists discovered a 5th taste. Umami. The taste of richness and satisfaction. It naturally exists in cheese, mushrooms, tomatoes, and fermented foods. In 1908, scientists isolated the taste of umami. They wanted everyone to enjoy rich flavor. The result was monosodium glutamate, better known as MSG. Our brains are designed to seek umami. It signals nourishment and protein. MSG can make food taste richer instantly, without hours of cooking. But not everyone welcomed MSG. Some blamed it for headaches. Others feared food coma and sudden fatigue after eating. But decades of research found little evidence. The FDA considers MSG safe. In fact, glutamate exists naturally. The first generation was pure MSG crystals. The second generation hid inside soup powders. The third generation chased something deeper. Because umami and deep taste are not the same. Deep taste takes time. Months. Years. Sometimes generations. Yet people continue to chase flavor. Rich taste makes us happy. A good meal creates memories. Memories of childhood. Memories of home. So is MSG good? Or is it bad? Perhaps the answer is more complicated. Maybe it is simply another tool in cooking. Because food is not just nutrition. Food is emotion. Food is memory. Food is happiness. In Korea, there's a saying. If you ate well, and it was delicious, then it has 0 calories. Perhaps happiness on your tongue makes life a little sweeter. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Jeong Sam Korean Chef for more stories about Korean food, culture, and the science behind what we eat.
Almost ready. Smells wonderful, grandmother.